Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. We've just had rain and I can hear the water dripping somewhere off the house, I guess, onto what sounds like metal. So maybe a piece of the gutter or something. And I also have the rooster, who is definitely on a different time zone than us, who's just kind of crowing out with some regularity. Anyway, today's Tàijíquán Tip is to find a rhythm, a naturally occurring rhythm, and practice to that rhythm. Now, I don't know enough about music to tell you too much about this, but I imagine that what you can do is something like play the melody, your practice, whilst being supported by the rhythm. And I imagine that you can also, this is what I do, is change the rhythm of your form to maybe polyrhythmically dance with the rhythm that you hear or meet it. Right now, that is a little fast for me to think about doing Tàijíquán, but it might kind of register a little bit of shifting for me, or a return to my breath, or a return to my principles in some way. Every time the rhythm comes, it's like an incantation, a reminder. My teacher's foot tapping. So when you find a natural rhythm, get a little bit of practice in there with it, supported by it, joining it, matching it, and see what that does for your practice. I find it, quite a joy to do, and I don't know anything about music. I can't even spell rhythm. Thank you, thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.